Whilst many of us may already have a car insurance in place, there are actually a few useful tips to help us make the most of our insurance and maybe reconsider how we can further protect our most prized asset. Let's be honest, we love our cars, and it might be one of the most, if not the most valuable asset we actually own. So here to guide us through our options is Nolwandle Mbalo, the Managing Director for Standard Insurance Limited. Welcome back. Good to connect with you. I've heard that a tracking device in your car can actually affect, if not bring down, the price of your insurance. Is that the case?
It is the case, Graham. I think the first part, though, is that the tracking device is there to help mitigate the risk for you as the driver or the consumer, but also to give benefit back to you. So there's different types of tracking devices. So installing a tracking device in a car not only helps the insurer be able to trace the vehicle or recover the vehicle quickly, but also there's a benefit to you as a customer as well for your safety, but also, as you alluded to earlier, so we can help you reduce your premium.
You mentioned different devices. What different devices can you get?
There are quite a lot manufacturers there, and I think put simply, there's two areas that one can look at. There's reactive type of devices, which actually get activated once you call for response. And there's also proactive devices, which on an ongoing basis detect your movements as to where you are, whether you're actually in a safer area, and alerts you proactively, you as a consumer or whoever you've actually listed on the list there to be contacted in the event that you are in trouble.
Different layers of protection, which are absolutely love. We often think about kind of the end result of maybe just an accident when we're thinking about our cover, but there are so many, a myriad of other options, ways that you can protect yourself, even be proactive before something goes wrong, which is really important. What kinds of cover are related to this, and what kinds of cover can I get? Well,
you can get a cover, as I said, primarily for tracking your movements in terms of when you are in an area, in a zone that is actually not your usual path or safe area. The second part is really just overall, if you're actually in danger. In the event of an accident, it proactively actually picks up that there's an accident, and it will alert your insurer to be able to proactively contact you. So in both, in the protective, you've got the benefit that you are contacted proactively by the insurer in the event of an incident, without actually even you having to activate that. The disadvantage also on the reactive side is that you have to call for a response. In most of the situation, you could be incapacitated, but your tracking device that is actually geared to proactively protect you is activated.
Wow. Yeah. I think most important, you've got to phone in and ask about these options, find out which one applies to you, which one will help you the most, which one will obviously impact your premium the most. I think that's also a double-edged sword here in that you can protect yourself further, but you can also bring down your premium. Thank you so much. So protect your car and protect what matters most to you, and in fact, protect yourself with the right kind of car insurance for a personalized quote that matches your needs and your budgets. SMS INSURE to 30788. And there's a nice little bonus when you SMS in and you get that quote, you stand the chance of winning a state-of-the-art Samsung Galaxy S10. Remember that standard SMS rates do apply, and you can, no free SMSs sadly, but you can find all the terms and conditions on expressoshow.com.
Get an insurance quote and stand a chance to win one of 6 Samsung S10 smartphones. Simply SMS the keyword INSURE to 30788 for a callback and a quote, and you could be a winner.